गुड आफ्टरनून स्टुडंट्स. आपण आज बघतोय पेअर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाईन्स या टॉपिक मध्ये काही पॉइंट्स आणि त्याच्या रिलेटेड असणारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्हज. पेअर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाईन, now combine equation of two lines, u is equal to 0, v is equal to 0. These are the two lines that is of the type x plus by plus c is equal to 0, that is not passes through origin any two lines. Then equations of two lines, u is equal to 0, v is equal to 0. Its combined equation or joint equation is just taking product u is equal to 0 is called as a combined or joint equation. If this is joint or combined equation, then its separate equations are u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. Second, a combined equation of two lines passes through origin is homogeneous second degree equation in x and y, and that is x square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0. Origin मधून पास होणाऱ्या दोन लाईन्सचे कंबाईन इक्वेशन ऑलवेज homogeneous second degree equation होणार x square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0. Now its reverse thing is what? If suppose we are having homogeneous equation x square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0, then this homogeneous equation represents straight line if and only if h square minus ab greater than 0, then lines are real and distinct. आपल्याला दोन वेगवेगळ्या लाईन्स मिळतील. Second, h square minus ab is equal to 0, lines are coincident and parallel. If h square minus ab is equal to 0, two lines are coincident, एक सारख्या same lines मिळतील. h square minus ab less than 0 negative. If this calculation is negative, then this equation does not represent a pair of straight lines. Next, this auxiliary equation of this is homogeneous second degree equation. Its auxiliary equation is obtained by putting y is equal to m and x equal to 1 in this. This is second degree equation. If we put y is equal to m, x equal to 1, we get this bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. Now roots of these auxiliary equations are the slopes of the lines represented by this equation. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या ज्या दोन लाईन्स आहेत यांचे स्लोप्स म्हणजे ह्या ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशनचे रूट्स, दॅट इज रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन्स आर नथिंग बट दी स्लोप्स ऑफ द लाइन्स रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय. नाउ द स्लोप्स ऑफ द लाइन्स रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय दिस आर गिवन बाय m1 is equal to -h plus square root h square minus ab upon b, -h minus square root h square minus ab upon b. These are the slopes. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाईन्स त्यांचे स्लोप्स m1 आणि m2 असे मिळतील बाय युजिंग दिस फॉर्म्युलाज. तर m1 m2 आर दी रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. म्हणजे आपण जर याचे रूट्स कॅल्क्युलेट केले तर आपल्याला स्लोप्स मिळणार. वी गेट स्लोप्स ऑफ द लाईन्स रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय दिस. Next point, m1 m2 are the slopes, then sum of the slopes of the lines represented by homogeneous equation. Its sum is sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 is by using this minus 2h by b, and product of the slope is equal to m1 m2 is equal to a by b, where a, h and b we know already. Angle between two lines of this, that is again this is homogeneous equation, homogeneous second degree equation. Lines represented by this are, and angle between them is calculated by tan theta is equal to modulus 2 times square root h square minus ab upon a plus b. This is the angle between lines represented by these two equations. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाईन्स मधला अँगल आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा असेल तर tan theta is equal to modulus 2 times square root h square minus ab upon a plus b. Of course this is modulus, therefore it is an acute angle. Case 1, if lines are perpendicular, then a plus b is equal to 0, a plus b is equal to 0. That is coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square, its addition is 0, then lines are perpendicular. Angle between line is pi by 2. Lines are parallel or coincident, then h square minus ab is equal to 0, then angle between line is 0 because lines are parallel, therefore angle between the line is 0. Angle between the line is 0. Next example, the measure of the angle between the lines sin square theta minus 1 x square minus 2 xy cos square theta plus cos square theta y square is equal to 0 is dash dash. MST CD 2019 ला विचारलेला क्वेश्चन. Now comparing coefficient of x square as a equal to sin square theta minus 1, 2h is equal to minus 2 cos square theta, and b is equal to cos square theta. Now by observation just If a plus, we know the two cases, a plus b is equal to 0, then lines are perpendicular. Sin square theta minus 1 I write, sin square theta 1 minus cos square, 1 minus cos square theta minus 1, this cancel, that is a is equal to minus cos square. A is equal to minus cos square, b is equal to cos square, therefore a plus b is 0, a plus b is equal to 0, and a plus b is equal to 0 means lines are perpendicular, lines are perpendicular and angle is pi by 2. This observation just, coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square, addition 0, then perpendicular. Example number 2, if the line is represented by this kx square minus 3xy plus 6y square is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other, then lines are perpendicular, therefore what condition, a plus b is equal to 0. A is what? A is k, b is equal to 6, that is k plus 6 is equal to 0, therefore k is equal to minus 6. K is equal to minus 6, B option. Next example, if theta 1, theta 2 are the acute angles between the pair of lines, this is first pair of lines, this is homogeneous first, homogeneous second, then a relation between their tan thetas. Now for first, I write, for first A is equal to 3, then 2h is equal to minus 7, b is equal to 4. Second, for second line A is equal to 6, 2h is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to 1. This is just comparison. Now for first I write tan theta 1 is equal to, tan theta 1 is equal to 2 times square root h square minus ab, h square, that is divided by 2, minus 7 by 2 square h square minus AB, A into B, 4 3 are 12, upon A plus B, 3 plus 4 it is 7, then is equal to 2 as it is, square root 49 by 4 minus 12 upon 7, then this is cross 12 4 48 2, 49 minus 48 1 by 4 square root upon 7, then 1 by 4 root 4 means just 2 and 2 to cancel, 2 into 1 by 2 by 7, it is 2 to cancel, therefore for first tan theta 1 is equal to 1 by 7, it is 1 by 7, tan theta 1 by 7. For second again, tan theta 2 is equal to, suppose angle is theta 2, then again modulus 2 times square root h square divided by 2 minus 5 by 2 square minus AB as a 6 upon A plus B, 6 plus 1 7, then it is 2 times square root, it is 25 by 4 minus 6 upon 7, again cross, it is 1 by 4, therefore it is modulus 2 times 1 by 4 upon 7, again this root 1 by 4, 1 by 2 to cancel, it is 1 by 7, therefore tan theta 2 is also 1 by 7. Now what is the relation? Addition of these two, tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2, that is 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7, 2 by 7, D option. Next example, the difference of the slopes of the two lines represented by this homogeneous equation is, here A is equal to 3, then 2h is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 1. Y square coefficient as a b, b1, a3, 2h minus 4. Now the m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b, minus 2h, that is 4 upon b as a 1, it is 4. And product of the slopes m1 m2 is equal to a by b, it is 3 just. Then difference is m1 minus m2 square is equal to, we know the relation, m1 plus m2 square minus 4 times m1 m2. Now m1 plus m2, that is 4 square 16 minus 4 times m1 m2 12, that is 16 minus 12, it is 4. This is m1 minus m2, that is difference of the slope, its square root, m1 minus m2 is equal to, it is 2 just. B option. Next example, if 2x plus y is equal to 0, is one of the lines represented by this homogeneous equation, then the value of k is here as a k. Now this is the one of the line, therefore its slope is nothing but root of auxiliary equation. Slope is nothing but root of the auxiliary equation. Its auxiliary equation is 3. Put x equal to 1 and y is equal to m. Km plus 2m square is equal to 0. Now slope, this is the one of the line, therefore its slope is equal to I write m is equal to, it's just minus 2. X plus by plus c is equal to 0. X plus by plus c is equal to 0 line असेल तर याचा slope is equal to what? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y minus a by b minus coefficient of x2 upon coefficient of y, therefore minus 2 is the slope, therefore minus 2 is the root of this auxiliary equation. याचा root असेल 3. Put m is equal to minus 2k plus 2 into m is equal to minus 2 square 0. 3 minus 2k, it is 4 to the 8 0. 8 3 11 is equal to 2k, k is equal to 11 by 2. B option, k is equal to 11 by 2. Next, if the slope of one of the lines represented by this be reciprocal of the slope of other, then the slope of the lines are, suppose slope of first line is m, the slope of other line is 1 by m. Check काय दिलाय, स्लोप ऑफ वन ऑफ द लाइन इज रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ अदर. एका लाईनचा स्लोप m असेल तर दुसऱ्या लाईनचा स्लोप 1 by m. नाउ दिस इक्वेशन, from this comparison capital A is equal to suppose A, then 2h is equal to 3a plus 1 and b is equal to 3. Already A यूज केलाय तर मी capital letters यूज केलाय. Product of the slopes is equal to m1 m2 is equal to what? A by b, that is a by 3. But product of the slopes, that is reciprocals of other, therefore m into 1 by m is equal to a by 3. Therefore m cancel, it is 1, implies a is equal to 3. H value 3 value, therefore this equation becomes 3x square plus a is equal to 3, 9 plus 10 xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Now two equations of this, that is I write two equations, 3x square plus 9xy plus xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. What is common? 3x out, then x plus 3y, then y out, x plus 3y is equal to 0. Therefore lines are x plus 3y and second line is 3x plus y is equal to 0. Therefore slopes of the lines is equal to coefficient of x upon coefficient of with sign minus 1 by 3 and it's minus 3. Minus 1 by 3 minus 3. D option.